Yo, first order of the day is a 7-Eleven. This one is $10, going about 4.5 miles. Good morning. For Anthony?
Yeah.
Thank you. Me too. Next up is going to be on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $17 an hour. This is a Taco Bell going 4.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your... Alright, what can I get for you today? Here's the boxes.
Thank you. That's going to be a no tip, as per usual. Total for that one was $5 and change. Next order up is a McDonald's going 5 miles. Thank you.
There it is. Right there.
Total for that one was $7. And just got this one right away. This is a stack going to the same person. It is high mileage, but I've got a good feeling about it. Either way, this is Muchas Gracias and Panera. This is going 9 miles. Hello. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $18. Okay. Was that worth it? Yeah, it actually was, because they tipped really well. Thank you for that. Next up is a Burger King. This one is going about 4.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. Where you rule, what can I get for you? There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Me too. No tip on that, of course. Total for that one was $7. And if you were curious, yes, there actually is another Burger King about a mile away from here. So, why did we order from so far away? Was sitting around for a while, but finally got the next order. This is a Taco Bell, $7, going 3.5 miles. Next up is high mileage. This is a McDonald's, $14, going 8 miles.
Thank you so much.
There you are.
Have a good morning.
You too, thank you. Heading right back to McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles.
Drop from the bottom.
Total for that one was $6. Just got the next order. This is Black Rock Coffee going 2 miles. I need to drop this one off ASAP because I got a really good order that I probably should not have taken because it's going in the opposite direction, but it's still doable. I just got to be quick. It's going to be a Taco Bell, $9, going 2.5 miles. Only issues are, like I said, going in the opposite direction, and I don't know where this one's dropping off exactly. So hopefully it's not too much of a hassle. Total for that last order was $4 and change. Thank you.
Sorry about that. You have a good one.
You too. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is going 6.5 miles.
I have a DoorDash for Kimberly. Awesome. Can I take a peek? Thank you. Have a great day.
Total for that one was $10. Not bad, not bad. And got this right away. This is, what is this? It's called Miss Lala's Taqueria. This one's $6 and change going a mile.
Really? I don't have any orders yet. I don't know.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Well, this order isn't as good as I thought it was when I accepted it. Only because I had to wait for it. I think their tablet is down or something. I don't really know, but we got it.
Just set it right there on that patio. Hi.
Gotcha. Hi.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
So yeah, we are going to call it here. Current time is 9:27. Total, I have no idea. I have like 6 sessions I need to add up, and I can't really do that right now, so I'll just throw up the total for you guys. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.